Here's the single best exercise you can do if you have sore knees. I have a lot of my students who do Jiu Jitsu tell me, gee, my knees are sore. My knees get sore as well too. This is a very simple exercise. You can scale it down to 0. So watch this. We're just going to walk backwards. But when I walk backwards, I'm going to put the ball of my foot into the mat and so forth. Just like this. It's as easy as that. You can spend as little as 5 minutes doing that. Scales to 0. If you're feeling good with that, if you want to challenge yourself even more, then what I do is I drag a heavy bag. So I have an old heavy bag here. So after my training, I just grab this thing, I put the balls of my feet in the mat, and I just start walking backwards. I just do 5 minutes. That's all I need. Keeps my knees feeling great. I got this exercise from the knees over toes guy. So if you look on YouTube for knees over toes guy, you'll find him. He has a program called ATG. I've been doing it for 18 months. My knees have never felt better. My shoulders have never felt better. It's an amazing program. I'll put a link in the description. So please like this video if you enjoyed it. Please subscribe and share it to your friends. Thanks.